In this piece of the protein pack series, we're taking this 15 grams of Bumble Bee Applewood Smoked Tuna. I'm going to do a salad. With this, I'm going to start with the vinaigrette, which is 1/8 cup or 2 tablespoons of lime juice. In this case, it was exactly 1 lime, to which I'm adding a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh cilantro. You can use the dried as well, of course. About 1 tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of Dijon, and then of course some salt and pepper. Now give that a good shake. I'm just gonna let that hang out while I work on this. I already have my bed of lettuce down. To it, I'm adding a couple tablespoons of black beans, a couple tablespoons of some sweet corn. Gonna chop up some red onion right quick. This is gonna be one of my favorite kitchen tools. And just like that, a beautiful fine dice. Get that added in there. And now for the star of today's show, this Applewood Smoke. I've been dying to try this one. Ooh. Okay. Very light smoke smell. Let's see how the taste is. I'm getting like no smoke off that at all. Okay, on the extreme back end, like after the swallow, there's a hint of smoke. And I mean a hint. Tastes like tuna pretty much to me. I've been enjoying pretty much every packet I've tried so far, so to have one not be high on my list, it's all right, I guess. They can't all be winners for me, right? And there's our salad. Go ahead and get our dressing put on there. Get everything all mixed. This salad is amazing with that lime vinaigrette. The black beans, the corn, the tuna, they all work really, really well together. Again though, I'm not getting the smoke off of this one, but it's still a good tuna. It's an easy pack, nice, inexpensive lunch or dinner, or protein pack when you're on the go. For a list of other things you can do with these protein packs, I made a complete freebie list of every brand and every flavor. The link for that is down in the description. And if you want more of this series, check out this playlist. Remember, cook for one, have some fun, and waste none. And I'll see you in the next one.